Are you interested in studying in the UK? You can choose from short-term diploma courses to full-fledged bachelor's and master degrees. You need a visa to pursue both. Broadly, there are three categories of student visas for the UK. First, for short courses that are up to 6 months or less, you need to apply for a standard visitor visa. Next, to pursue English language courses that are up to 11 months, you need to apply for a short-term study visa. Lastly, for full-time PG and UG courses, you need to apply for a student visa. Let us address all your queries regarding the UK student visa application process for Indian students. How early can you apply for a UK visa? So, it's 6 months before starting your course, given that you have received an unconditional letter of acceptance from a licensed institute. What is the processing time? The UK government site states that you will get a decision in usually up to 3 weeks. However, this time can be dependent on various factors and you may have to wait a few more weeks. So how and where do you apply? Let me break this into 4 simple steps. Step 1. Visit the gov.uk or VFS Global site. Step 2. Complete the online application. Step 3. Schedule an appointment to visit the relevant VFS Global Center to submit your biometric information, that is fingerprints and photograph. Step 4. Upload all the required documents ahead of your appointment. What documents are needed? A confirmation of acceptance of studies from your course provider, proof of money that you can support yourself and pay for the tuition fee for the duration of your course. For this, you will need to showcase a set amount of money per month for up to 9 months. This amount is £1,334 or roughly rupees 1.3 lakh per month if you reside in London, £1,023 or roughly a lakh per month if you reside outside London. Parents' bank accounts can be furnished for this purpose. The account must have held this money for at least 28 consecutive days. The end of the 28-day period must be within 31 days of the date you apply for the visa. Next, you need a tuberculosis result from a clinic approved by the Home Office. The list for same can be found on the gov.uk website. Of course, your passport and other academic transcripts and documentations needed as per your course. You need to furnish proof of English language, that is IELTS, PTE or any other relevant test scores. How much will you need to pay in visa fee? Well, around £363 or roughly rupees 35,000. When can you travel to the UK? Once you have received your visa, you can travel up to 1 month in advance before your course commences. Remember, the visa is issued for the entire duration of the course, so once you get it, you're good to go. Hope this video was helpful. For more information on all things related to study abroad, please visit upGrad Abroad.